Hello everyone, Lily here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the no music results found on your Instagram story problem. It's a really simple and straightforward fix, so let's get started. So I've got Instagram open here, and if I swipe to the right and simply snap a picture here, I can access the music option by tapping the little sticker at the very top where I can add various types of music. However, if you're unable to add any music or if no results are available, if it pops up with some songs but not the song you want, it's possible that it's just not in the Instagram collection. So there aren't all of the songs that have ever been produced on Instagram. This is just a relatively small group of songs that Instagram has secured the right to include in your story. So this varies depending on where you are, your location. And you have to understand that if someone is in a completely different country than you, they have access to different music than you have. However, if none of the music appears, I'll take you through some steps to get it to appear again. I'll start by swiping down from the top right and then turning off Wi-Fi. As you can see, I am already using mobile data, so if you are currently using Wi-Fi, switching to mobile data may speed up your internet. If you are experiencing internet or loading issues, this will help you. Another method is to simply return to Instagram here. If you touch on your profile button at the bottom right, and then the three lines at the top right, and then settings and then account, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. If this says switch to a personal account, it implies you have a professional or brand account just like a business account. Quite often, the story music doesn't really work properly for a business or professional account. So if it says here to switch to a personal account, you should touch that button and move back to a personal account. That could get you started on adding music to your story. The final thing you can do is wipe the apps, cache, and data, which we can do by going into Settings and then scrolling down to where it says Apps, and then selecting Apps, and then searching for Instagram in the search box, and then selecting on Storage. And you can see that there are the options to clear data and cache. Just tap Clear Data. This is a fantastic technique to fix a variety of issues on Instagram. After that, log back into Instagram and the problem should be resolved. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you.